Hello everyone, here we've got Redmi 10A, and let me show you how to add photo to contact on this device. So at first, reach your phone dialer, then go to contacts if you are not in this tab, and click on the contact that you would like to add profile picture to. Now click on edit, and you can smoothly add a photo by tapping on add photo. Now you can either take a photo or choose something from your gallery. Let me pick a photo. One more time, let me pick a photo, so choose photo, and here you can select it from your file manager, gallery or photos. Let me pick gallery, and just take the picture that you'd like to apply. You can customize it as only you wish, tap on OK, and click on save. And as you can see from now on, this picture is assigned to your contact, and anytime they will be calling you, you will see this profile picture at first. So this is it, that will be all. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.